Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope y'all are doing great. I want to share with you a project that myself and the big roommate made for me to make jewelry, bracelets, mostly chunky chain link bracelets or chunky chain charms. And so we got a dowel. I'm not sure how long it was. Uh, maybe maybe 1 foot, 2 feet. I don't know. However long they sell them. We use one of these. Like we got all this material from Home Depot, and he cut it down, and this is about 8 inches right here, so we cut down two that were about 8 inches. We took a hook and just screwed it into this little hole, and actually I took some glue, some wood glue, and put it in so that it could stay. And then we took a 2 by something, it doesn't matter how long it is, unless you plan on making like a super long chain bracelet. But this from start to finish is about 14 inches. If you're interested, let's see. Yep, I think it's about 14 inches. So this is 1 foot right here. And you have this little bit left over. So about 14 inches, because I told him I needed for this to be at least 12 inches. So this is the primary hole, the main hole. It's not very pretty, but it does work. It gets the job done for what I needed to be done. So you just take your first dowel and put it in, and from this hole to this hole is 2 inches, and then every inch from each other are 1 inch apart. So you take your other one, and let's just say you want to make 2, 3, 4, a 5-inch bracelet. You can always measure your wrist and see how it works for you. And I just have some chain, and what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how it works, and just so if you need inspiration on how to get it done, you can. The reason why I wanted to get this particular thing created or purchased is because when you make your charms, like if you ever purchase a charm bracelet, you'll know that all the charms hang correctly. In the past, when I was making my chunky charms or chunky bracelets, because the chain would flip over so much, I didn't have good control of it. Charms would not be right, and I didn't really particularly care for that. But now with this, your chain will stay how it's intended to stay. Let's make this a little bit tighter, Brandy. All right, so there you go. And so now we could put a charm on here. I'll show you that real quick. Okay, so I do want to tell you, you probably won't see me using this. This will probably be behind the scenes more so than anything, because I think it's a little bit boring to watch this portion of the thing. If you want to watch me do this, just let me know and I will. So we have our jump ring, and I don't want to like do a tutorial right now, but we have our jump ring, we have our charm, whatever charm you want to go on there. If you want to put more than one jump ring on there, you can. And then you just take your jump ring and charm. See, I think it's a little bit weird to go like that. And make sure that your chain is not twisted like mine is. And it's the whole reason to have this thing, is not to have your chains and stuff twist. So there we go. Not twisted, not twisted. Okay. So you're going to take jump ring, charm, whatever charm you want, find the location, and then you have it, and you're going to twist it together. This is an awkward position to be for a camera angle, but that's how it will look. And you just line up everything across, and there you have your chunky chain, your chunky charm, or whatever. I want to say thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, any comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. We paid for this with our own money. Everything was paid for with our own money. We didn't get anything special from Home Depot to talk about the location. Just in case you're wondering, this is not like sponsored or anything like this. This is all things that I purchased with my money. Nothing was sent, nothing was given for free. All right, until next time, happy crafting.